Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Welcome back, y'all. Today we are continuing our Ecto-1 build, issue 32, stage 120. Look at this, man. This should be fun. Well, let's go ahead, let's take a look at what parts we get and get on with this build. All right, here are the parts we get with stage 120. We have the partition window. We have a partition wall center panel, lower panel, and wall front panel. And a mess of screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and guess that we're working on the partition wall today. All right, we're gonna kick things off with the lower panel and the front panel. And you can see there are 8 holes on this lower panel. And what do you know, 8 posts on the front panel. And they're basically just gonna line up nice and neat. Man, this is harder to line up than it looks. Holy crap. There we go. Just like that. And on the back side, we're going to use EP screws in all 8 holes. Look at that. All done. All right, next up, we're going to take this assembly that we just built. We're going to put it onto this panel here. So 8 holes and 8 posts. So let's line her up. We'll get her in, and we're gonna fix it from the back with another 8 EP screws. But holy crap. How do you line this thing up? There it goes. All right, now it's slid in. Nice and neat. Looks great. And 8 more holes in here for the 8 EP screws. There we go. Look at that. Next is going to be fairly simple. We're going to take glass. I'm just going to set it into the slot right there, just like that. And then we're going to take the piece that we built in the last issue. We're just going to slot this on top. Just like that. Look at that. And now we need 10 KP screws in all of these holes to stick it together. Oh, and look at this. We have us a partition ready to rock. This is awesome. But now we got to bring out the body again. All right, here's where things are going to get real fun. First things first. Over here, there are 2 VP screws holding the trim in place. And we're going to need to remove them because we need to get access to this screw hole. Now, there's another one on the opposite side over here. Right in here, and for some reason they don't seem to think we need access to that screw hole. I disagree. So I'm going to remove the 2 VP screws from this side, and then I'm going to do the same on the other side as well to give us access to both screw holes, not just one. Now I've just done the one side so far, but as you can see, that lets us pull this out a little bit. And that's the key. This little lip right here is covering that screw hole that's right there. And we need to free it up. So by doing this, we get it free, and I'm gonna do that for the other side now. Okay, other side is free now as well. Awesome. Now, right, and this is honestly as high as my setup will let me go. So I'm doing the best I can here. Right in this area is where our partition wall is going to go. Make sure this is facing the front of the vehicle. And when you bring it down, you want to make sure that these cables are hidden under here and that these cables come up the wall and aren't getting pinched and come in through there. Okay, I know my job, this cabling job is not perfect, but with this wall in place, you're going to want to do an RM screw in here and another one on the other side to hold everything in place. And there we go. And with that done, we can actually replace all of the VP screws. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, and with that done, we are almost finished with this stage. All right, last step, we're gonna come all the way back here. We're gonna bring these cables and make sure they are beneath this screw post right there. We're gonna throw an RM screw into it. The idea is for this to slide in here and stick. Now, this is not going in just yet, but that is what's supposed to happen. So now that we've done a test fit, we can pull it out, and I think we are good to go. And that, my friends, is the end of stage 120. So, man, we are getting closer and closer to getting this ready to meld. Maybe the next stage? I guess we'll find out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Have a great day.